Hey everyone, I wanted to make a really quick video showing you how to make your checkout page in Shopify a multi-step form instead of the entire form being on one page. So in order to do this, make sure you're logged into your admin dashboard, head down to the bottom left-hand side here and click on settings. And then on the left-hand side menu, go ahead and click on checkout. And when you see your configuration here in the checkout configuration, go ahead and press customize. And then on the left hand side, you'll see a bunch of settings. You can change some of your styles, but scroll all the way down and it should say checkout layout. Go ahead and click on that, and there's a 3-page checkout option and a 1-page. Go ahead and select the 3-page and press save. And now you can see here's the example of what the checkout page would look like. Some of this information entered. If I go and press continue to shipping, then it has you select your shipping method, and then it has you do the payment. So this is going to be your 3-page shipping or checkout option. So hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.